Hello, this is Papa J Learns Excel here. So today I'm going to teach you on the function on how to generate random numbers. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin. If you can see my screen over here, right? I have 10 students over here, and we are going to generate the scores for English, Maths, and Science as example. Okay, so in this case, scores are usually from 0 to 100. Okay, for tests or exams, right? So you want to generate some numbers, for example, 54, 67, or 91. But it might be quite tough for you to just go to every cell and generate the random numbers over here. Okay. So solution that you can use is random. Okay, the random function. So the random function is rand, and then the parentheses. You don't need to put anything in between the parentheses. So you will generate a number between 0 and 1. Okay, so if you just click on this insert function over here, it will tell you returns a random number greater than or equals to 0 and less than 1, evenly distributed. So this is not a normal distribution. This is a evenly distribution. Okay, meaning the chances are the same from 0 to 1. Okay, it's not a normal distribution curve. It's not a bell curve. Okay, and how should we use this? Okay, because this is from 0 to 1. Right? What we want is from 0 to 100. So as an example, you're going to use this random function. So what you can do is you can just type multiply by 100. Okay, so you get something in between 0 and 1. Okay, the 0 to 100, and then you just copy over here and you calculate. Okay, I'm using manual calculation, so you can use auto calculation. Okay, now what we can do is just populate everything over here and calculate again. So you will have all the scores from for all the subjects over here, randomized score, but you can see that some scores will be less than 50. So actually in the class, right, the scores will not be evenly distributed because there will be more passes than failures. Okay, so this is just example to show you, okay, how you can generate numbers over here. Okay, but let's say you want to generate scores between 50 to 100 because you think that everybody will pass. Okay, so what you can do is you can use another function called ran between. Okay, you can see ran between over here. So okay, you can what you can do is you can just when you type the function, right, for example r, a, and d, these three functions will come out. Okay, just click on this ran between. Okay, then you just press tab or you just double click. Okay, you just press tab or you just press double click. 50, you just give 50 to 100 and you get the score. Okay, very nicely done for you. Okay, what you can do is calculate. Okay, and you get all the scores from 50 to 100. Yeah, so that's it for today. Hopefully you know how to use this function ran and ran between. Okay, yeah, Papa J Learns Excel here. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.